Okay, this is our newest feature on DDAmanda, and it's DDAmanda stock picks. Now, in order to find good stocks, you have to search, right? But you're only one person. So, what this is designed to do is to let everybody, uh, put input into this. Like somebody else finds a good stock, they can put it in here, you know. And I mean, more eyeballs is what it's all about. No, not one person can't find everything. So anyway, here's the ones we have so far. We got UATG. They've been got a bunch of contracts recently. BIEI guy put this one in. PKPH. Now this one's a real good one here. They're going to be doing a merger and go straight to Nasdaq. But anyway, so people can, they can put in their stocks. Everybody can comment. Uh, so if you want to add a new stock, you just put the symbol here. You put a Y reason. Now, we're trying to limit this to only really, really good stocks. I mean, like no-brainers, you know. So the Y reason is just a 30 characters that explains why. And then you can put a bunch of other information here. Some due diligence, whatever, back it up. Why. More information. And then all you do is push this add button here. Okay, and that'll add it. Now once it's added, everybody can add a comment, okay? So you put the symbol in here and hit add, and like PKPH, if I wanted to add a comment here, I just push add, and I'm going to add, we just found out that Neil, I think it's Weiniger, took ORGS from the OTC to NASDAQ. Okay. I gotta read. I need to find out if that's his name. But anyway, that's what we're hoping is going to happen to PKPH. It's going to go straight to fucking Nasdaq because they got 110 million funding lined up. Okay, so I just added this comment, and what that does when I reload this, now because I added a comment to VPLM, now it's up at the top. Okay, because I just added this comment to it. Anyway, that's what this is designed for, is to let everybody collaborate on finding these winners, okay, and make money. That's what it's all about. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.